there's a type of confidence loss most fathers experience quietly, and almost nobody talks about it. And it has nothing to do with money, career success, or ambition. It happens slowly. You stop recognizing yourself physically, and I think a lot of dads experience this without even realizing how much it affects them. Because on paper, life can look successful. Career progression, family growing, responsibilities all handled, but privately, you stop feeling comfortable in your own body. I know because I went through it myself. After becoming a father and gaining weight over several years, my confidence slowly started disappearing. Not all at once, quietly. It started with small things. Avoiding photos, wearing looser clothes, feeling uncomfortable taking my shirt off, and over time, you stop seeing yourself as strong, disciplined, or energetic. You start identifying as the tired dad. And I honestly think that identity shift is one of the hardest parts, because the real damage is not physical, it's the loss of self-trust. Every failed diet, every inconsistent routine, every promise to start on a Monday chips away at your belief that you can actually change. I remember avoiding certain situations completely because I hated how I looked, even family holidays, and that was difficult to admit to myself. But what changed everything for me was realizing I did not need to become perfect. I just needed to rebuild trust in myself again. And that started with very small changes, consistent workouts, simple meals, basic routines I could actually stick to. Not extreme plans, not punishment, not trying to get my old life back. Just slowly becoming someone I felt proud of again. And 6 months later, I remember playing with my kids on holiday, feeling genuinely confident for the first time in years. Not because I looked perfect, but because I finally felt back in control of myself again. So if you're a dad struggling with confidence because of your health, you're not alone. And you are not lazy. You probably just need a system that helps you rebuild consistency and self-trust again. If this resonates with you, subscribe to the channel. And I've also linked my free Busy Dad starter plan below. The goal is not perfection. It's becoming someone you feel proud to be again.